Welcome back everyone to the AI Coloring Book Generator, the best app for creating coloring books for Amazon KDP. It was literally built for that purpose, and it does everything from creating the images all the way to giving you a downloadable file. It even creates the intro page and does absolutely everything all for you. Now, today we're actually releasing a brand new update to this app thanks to Alan, one of our followers, one of our users of this website. His request was to be able to edit the photo so that you can remove some artifacts by yourself. So, for example, over here in this specific coloring book, which is obviously a sports car coloring book, we have an issue here where there's pencils which are unwanted. These colored pencils, we don't want them in the photo. So to change this, all you need to do is click on edit this photo. That will open up a new page. So you have to be using a desktop PC for this. You can't do this part on a mobile. Then you can straight away start rubbing out what you don't want from the image. Now, if you want this to be a little bit bigger, you can increase the size of this just to make things a little bit more streamlined and quick. And as you can see, just like that, we're deleting all of this unwanted extra things, accessories, or whatever it is on your coloring page. You just don't want them, and so you're deleting them. And that way you end up with a coloring page which matches your needs. Once you're ready and you've finished everything, you simply go back to the top of the page, the top right of your screen, click on export. That will open up a pop-up on your screen which says, are you okay to leave this page? You just click leave and it will take you right back to your muscle car. And here we are, it's ready to go. And now you don't have these extra artifacts on your page. Now that we've added this update, it's going to make it a lot cheaper. That tool that we just used to edit this image was completely free to use. So it may take you much less generations of images in order to get the correct image that you need. Now, don't forget, when you have an image here that you don't like, let's say you didn't like this one. If you click this button here, it is free to use any of the images on our database. You don't have to pay each time. If you choose images from our database, you will not have to pay. It's only if you regenerate using the button on the left-hand side, this one over here, just right here, that's when you have to pay 1.5 credits in order to regenerate an image. That's why we recommend before you regenerate with AI using this button, definitely try doing it for free here. And if you get something like this, which, like I said, it has all these artifacts, it's just the model set that we've used, as explained by my good friend Alan. The data set we've used is basically has seen too many of these artifacts and thinks it's normal to have these artifacts. But if it does happen, again, click edit the photo and then simply enlarge this a lot so that you can really get a good grip on everything quickly. And that way you can just quickly edit out all of the garbage that you just don't want to see. That way you are good to go with this image. Just like that, in under 5 seconds. Click export and click the pop-up, which will pop up on your screen, and you're good to go. And here we are, a perfect racing car made with AI, just like that, on the spot. Thank you for watching. This was Generate.net. Follow us for more AI tools. We claim to be the all-in-one AI platform, which basically has more or less every single AI tool you can think of in one place. You can create your custom text apps just with a prompt. You can create chatbots. You can create books with children's books, coloring books, comic books, regular books. For Amazon KDP, this platform was designed with KDP in mind. We also have a regular image generator. So remember, when you're buying credits, you're not just buying credits to make books. You're buying credits to create images, create PNGs. Out of the blue, you could just have a PNG. Let's say you needed a PNG of an emoji, for example. Just like that, in under a second, you can make yourself a PNG and then you could start using it for any purpose. Here are some examples of previous creations. Here are some emojis, for example, right behind me. These are things you can generate on the fly as you need. So not only that, we also have sticker generator for those of you in the stickers business. This you know, this you know. Image upscaler if you want to enlarge an image, find and replace from an image using text alone, and a background remover AI. We will add apps. If you have any questions, simply click this little bug over here. You can just request a feature or report a bug, and we will definitely take care of that for you. That sums up this video. Oh, how can I forget? The video generator is absolutely unbelievable over here, what we have. You can literally create videos with the same credits that you use to create your books and your images. Once you create a book, oh sorry, I clicked the wrong one. Click the I think it's the second link, text to video, the yellow one. That's going to allow you to create an actual video. So for example, if you wanted a cat standing on a baby's head, you can literally create that video. It gives you 4 options because it lets you start with an image as opposed to an actual video. So you can choose which one suits you best. So if we wanted this one, and then make the cat dance, click on enhance image prompt. The AI will then look at your image to enhance this prompt, and then it will create a proper prompt, and then you can choose how many seconds. Now for each second it's a credit, and that way you can then generate a 9-second video. I won't bore you waiting, but let me just skip this part, edit this part out. And here we have the final product. Let me press play. You can see the cat is slightly moving on this baby's head. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.